Okay, if you want to register for your NEHP number, this is the process that we are going to take. So I'm doing it for somebody, so all the information will be blocked. And when you want to see this video, but you have to make sure that you follow the same process. The first thing is you are going to go to if you want to apply for your NEHP number and then you have never applied before, this is the process that we are going to follow. You can say I'm doing it for someone, okay? So you have to follow the same process that I'm doing it. All the person's information is going to block, but I'll be using my mouth to tell you what to do. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to go to this site, ants.gov.fr. Is very important. So what are you going to do there when you get to the place? When you get to the place, you are going to look for way to register because you are doing a registration. Okay, you're going to click on more count here. So once you click on my count, this is what is going to open for you. So what we are going to do is, since you don't have account before, you are not filling this place. So you are going to create an account for yourself. So you're going to click this create an account. When you create an account, if you have France Connect, it's going to be easy for you. But if you don't have France Connect, you are going to click on demand on identify the France teeth. That's what you're going to click on. So you're going to click on this place now. So you're going to fill all the necessary form here. If you're a woman, you choose this. If you're a man, you choose this. You put your name, your surname, your date of birth, your house address where you are living, and then you are going to put your phone number. And even if they put facultative, it is compulsory. Then you put your password here. Your passwords must be 12 character, okay? And inside that 12 character, there must be capital letter, one capital letter, and then small letters also. There must be number in it, and there must be all these special sign like art, and you must put one. Then you confirm the same one that you put here. You click here and you create account. So we are going to create for that person now. Okay, so you can see I put everything of that person that I'm helping to do it. So the next thing is I'm going to click on this compris and I'm going to create. So we have created the account now. So what is next to do? So the person have to go to, so I'm expecting the person to go and get me some things from the account. So the person has already verified this account with them. So what we are going to do, we are going to resign in back again. So you're going to click on Jamie Connect, as you can see here. So it's going to tell you to re-enter back again. So we are going to put identify number that they gave her, and then the normal password that we use. Okay, so now the person she has verified her account. So what we are going to do, we are going to bring in the identifying number that they gave her, code they gave her. We are going to put it here. Then we are going to put her password, the same password that she used to create the account. So the same thing, the same password you use, you are going to put it back here as well. Okay, so you're going to put the password here. Everything is going to be what? Blurred. So, but put your password here. Then you can check whether the password is correct by clicking this button here. Affiche means show. So once you click it, once you say show and it shows, you know everything is correct, then you are going to click on me connect here. So it said that they have sent you another code. So they have sent you another code. Another code will be sent to you. So here is the code that they sent to the email, as you can see it here. Then you are going to click on verification. Okay, so now we have done all the necessary things that we need to do. We have signed in. So what is the next place you are going to click? You must see your name for you to know everything is perfect. You are going to click on permit de conduire. It's very important because that's what you want to do. Once you click on the permit de conduire, they are going to ask you different questions. So the first question you should pick is this one. So don't even think much about it. You pick this first one, then you scroll down. This is next. You click on next. Then they are asking you, are you minor or you are major? You are major because you are not minor. So you click on this one. You click on continue. They are asking you that, have you done your exam this exam before, you are coming back. Since you have never done it before, you choose the first one, then you continue. You are choosing Permis B here, so you click on Permis B and then you click on continue. Then they said, is it necessary for you to go to and see medical, which is no. You are clicking no here, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it said, have you done this? Did you have this USUN? Generally, it is no for all the foreigners. So you click no and then you click continue. They said, have you passed this exam before? No, you have never passed it before. It's your first time. So you click on this one, then you continue. They said, which one did you want to do? Are you doing traditional, or you are doing accompagnement, which is, or supervise? You are doing traditional because you want to drive all by yourself. So you click on continue. They said, can you read and then write? Can you read and understand French? You should always speak yes. You cannot say no. If not, they will not give you number. So you click on continue. Okay, they said, are you driving the handicap car? The car that they have aménagé means car that is for disabled. You click on no in this place. Then you click on continue. Then when you click on continue, it said, this exam, have you done it in another department? You have never done it in another department. You click on no. You click on continue. Then they said, this exam, do you have other category of this exam you want to do? The answer is also no as well. So you click on continue. So once you click on continue, they said, are you wearing glasses? So this one is personal answer. So if you are wearing glasses, you must pick yes. If you are not wearing glasses, you must pick no. This one is personal. As I said, if you are wearing glasses, you must choose yes. If you are not wearing glasses or lens contact or veil correction, anything, so you must pick no if you are not wearing it. So it's no for the person that I'm helping. So you click on this. Then this one also, it is also no because you have never obtained any permit conduite before. So you click on continue as well. So they will ask you to verify if all the information is correct. So I'm going to do a translate to English so that the person can be able to read and check whether the thing is correspond. So now, as you can see, I put it in English for us to be able to identify it, what is there in English as well, to make it easy. Because once we validate this thing, it is not modifiable again, all this one. So it's very important. So we click on validate my situation. So we have done the first part, then we continue like this. So we have done the situation, so we continue and click on next step here. Then this next step, we are now going to check again if everything is correct again. Is your name correct? You're a woman. So after we have done with the other parts, then you are going to verify if all the information here also is correspond with you. So your surname, your sex, your name, your date of birth, the country where you are giving birth to, and the commune, which is going to be the local government. Then you are going to click on next again. When we click on next, so now put your address. This is where you are going to put your address here. You're going to put your address, so which I think is Toulouse. I think is then once you put your address here, it's going to bring out an options for you. So you have to choose from this place so that it will be easier for you to identify your options. So this is going to be your options because it's correct with the address. Then you are going to continue down and then click on next. When you click on next, your email is there, your phone number is there. You check whether it's correct. So I think everything is correct here. Then you click on next again. When you click on next, this is where you're going to put your e-photo, the number of the photo that you want to take. So you click here again, and then so once you click on the e-photo here, you come and paste the number that they gave you. You put it here as well. So and then after that, you click on next. So this is correct. Then you are going to put your what? Justification de domicile here now. So after we have put the picture, this is the next page that we are going to add our justificative de domicile. You are going to click on this place here. Then you go to wherever you downloaded it, you go and take it from there. Okay, so I'm going to add the justificative de domicile, the first one. So here also we are going to add what? The piece identity of the person. Okay, I'm clicking here. We are going to add two because two maximum that you can put here. So we are going to put the front, then we wait for it to load, then we are going to add the back as well, the back. Okay, so I've added the two. So which is the best thing? Then this one is optional, then you click on next here. So when we click on next, they will ask you to check if everything is correct again, because this is the last and the final part. So what we do is I'm going to change it to English for us to be able to see what is there. Okay, anywhere that is sensitive, then I will still blur it during the editing process. So now can you start checking now? So you can always translate it in English so I can be able to read everything that you inputted. As you can see, everything here, the person confirmed that it's okay. So the next thing we are going to do is, I love to leave it in French. Then you're going to click on yes, and then yes here. Then you're going to validate indefinite more. Okay, your démarche. Accept this. Then I'm going to click here indefinite more. So everything is perfect. We have finished it. So I have downloaded it. I always love to download this copy so that I can be able to send it to the person. Okay, so that's what I used to do. I will download this PDF, open with, then I want to send it. So I'll send it to the person. So that is how to sign up and register. Okay, so